If you want to convert file types inside of CorelDraw, then you can actually go ahead and utilize a script for that. So to do that, you need to go to Tools, and then you need to go around under Scripts, and then you need to go ahead and choose Run Script. So once you do that, this dialog box actually pops up, and over here what you can do is you can go around over here onto Macros section, and then you can go ahead and choose File Converter. Now simply click on Run, and this dialog box actually opens up. So here you can see the source. You can go ahead and select the source and destination. So I'm just going to go ahead and, let's say for example, go to source, and then I'm going to go ahead and select out some file types that I want to convert. So let's say for example, I'm going to go ahead and convert JPG files right here. So I'm going to go ahead over here onto the source, and I'm going to go to TT drive right here, just like this, the TT drive, and I'm going to go to images, let's say for example, and it has listed out the images right here. So now I can go ahead and add in certain selections of files that I want to actually go to convert, or add all as I want. Let me just go ahead and press OK, and now you can see that this is the images. So now I can go ahead and select the destination file. So if I were to go around over here, and then I'm going to go to images, and here I'm just going to go ahead and, let's say for example, say converted right here, just like this. So now I can convert it into a certain file type as I like. Let's say for example, I'm going to go ahead and convert this into a PNG file format right here. You can choose the color mode, even set the resolution, change the color profile right here, convert the text to curves and so forth, change around the background color and so forth. Let me just enable anti-aliasing, choose color mode right here, and then click on convert. So it says invalid source or destination file. So this folder actually does not exist. So I actually need to go ahead and choose this out. So let's just go ahead right here and choose this particular folder by creating it. So I'm just going to go around over here onto images right here, and then you can see that this is what you have. I actually don't have a particular file right here. So let me just go ahead over here onto processed right here, just like this, and select this particular file up right here, and then I'm going to click on convert. So now you can see that it is actually converting out the files right here from file to file. So you can see that it is processing right here. So in a while, everything will be converted. So some files takes a while, and that is normal. And now here you can see that these are the converted files. There were previously some files right here, but you can see that PNG files are there, which has been converted from JPG right here by utilizing this script. So that is how you can utilize the FileConverter script inside of CorelDraw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.